No introduction needed here. I'm here with Andrea, but most people call her Addy. Hi, Addy!
What's up, people? What's up,
Yeah! She's here. So, napapansin niya yata, it's a different setup. Nasa kama
So
ako.
comfy.
Yeah, with blankets and lights and everything. This is a new setup for Talk with Wavy. Hindi ko masyadong nagustuhan yung formal. Kasi, 'di ba dati formal kami. Dati nandun lang kami sa closet
Gilid.
doors, yeah. And then ngayon, sabi ko, since kasi I don't want it to make it like a formal interview, gusto ko siyang, para tayo nag-have fun lang.
Slip over type of
Yeah,
thing.
so sabi ko, you know what?
Comfy.
Let's do it. So we can grab our
Plushies.
yes.
Right here.
I should add that in addition. Kuha ka kung anong gusto mo. I have my shark.
Yung mga plushies niya.
Yeah.
Very
Very
It's
comfortable. So yeah, we can grab our plushies. Sa kwentuhan lang kami.
Let's
And
go.
so much more.
There's so much.
So yeah, hindi na to
to catch
formal
up.
interview. And this will just be like a fun. Para tayo nag-video call or nagka-cafe
Yes.
shop, kwentuhan. Pero limited yung sasabihin.
Bawal masyadong maingay. Ganun.
Or hindi yung ma-issue na statement.
Issue! Alam na yan.
Totoo yan.
Let's go.
So, I wanna ask you, kamusta ka? What's new with you recently? How's life?
I'm good. It's so stressing,
Yes.
for sure. And syempre, nag-a-adjust pa rin sa college life. How about
Totoo
you? How
yan.
about you? How
Okay
are
naman. I'm exhausted sa broadcasting.
you? You know, right? Pinili mo yan. Pinili mo yan.
Pinili mo rin mag-psychology.
Please. Huwag niyo na. Research defended, guys.
Research depended siya nung Wednesday.
Yes, yes.
I don't remember, what's the date? May 13.
Yes.
May
Ayoko nang
13.
ulitin yun, pero I have
Pero kailangan mo.
for another 3 years.
Totoo,
Oh my God.
pero it's okay. Pinili mo yan.
Pinili natin to.
Yeah, pero ba't ka ba nag-psychology?
Psych kasi is, nasa choices ko talaga siya. Pero,
okay.
hindi siya yung main priority ko nung nag-a-apply ako for colleges. Kasi ang main priority ko talaga is nursing or radtech. Pero kasi, kailangan ko rin ng opinions from my family, which is yung ate ko talaga yung may strong opinion sa amin lahat. Sabi niya na hindi
Love
daw
it.
practical ang nursing at this age. Kasi,
Oh.
bukod sa mababa pa rin yung sweldo ng mga nurses, 'di ba? Mahirap siyang makapunta agad sa ibang bansa, which is yun naman talaga yung dapat na patutunguhan mo, 'di ba? Pero kasi kailangan mo pa ng experiences, skills para doon. So,
Gets.
I chose psychology instead.
I
Kasi
see.
for her, syempre, psych graduate din naman siya and she's working
Ah,
in the HR.
Love it.
Sabi niya, siya mismo nagsabi na marami naman talagang job opportunities for psychology graduates. So,
I see.
we can work in hospital, clinics, and even in offices. So,
Basta ang mahalaga, yan yung gustong-gusto mo talaga. Hindi
Yeah.
yung parang finorce ka ng tao or ano.
actually kasi, kahit hindi mo siya gusto sa una, matututunan mo siyang mahalin eh as
Ay,
time goes
oo.
by. You know that. You know that.
Totoo.
Alam mo na yan.
Sobrang totoong yan. So I get why why
very
psychology.
very ano pa rin ako nung first semester, very confusing, like, paulit-ulit ko tinatanong yung sarili ko na tama ba to? Para sa
I
akin
mean,
ba to?
we all go through that stage naman.
Yes.
Kasi pati ako nung broadcasting, sabi ko, tama ba na pinili ko ang broadcasting?
Exactly,
Tapos parang
diba?
looking at the choice, sabi ko, hindi naman ako masaya pag kung mag-MMA ako or magsa-psychology or sabi ko, baka broadcasting ako.
Yeah, minsan kasi,
Tsara.
pinipili natin to kahit hindi natin gusto. Kasi in the long run, magugustuhan natin siya. Yeah!
Sobrang true. Well,
So true.
let's go back to our kung saan kami nag-meet ni Addy and it was senior high school. Since hindi ko naman din kasi alam masyado yung life mo sa college. Yun muna yung tanungin ko muna actually sa'yo. What's life like in college recently? Other than studying?
College recently is good. Siyempre, marami kang taong makikilala. Maraming personalities, of course, in psychology. You
Yes.
have to ilagay yun sa utak mo na marami
Yeah.
ka talagang makikilala. Maraming challenges din, siyempre.
Yeah.
Kasi, alam mo naman, kapag college, di ba, may mga ano pa, may mga nag-a-adjust pa kasi from senior high school, di ba?
Yes.
Pero syempre, hindi naman natin dapat sila obligahin na magbago agad, di ba? So,
Yeah, tama ka naman.
let's take our time. Diba?
Yes,
Let's
true.
enjoy. Pero at the
Sobrang
same time,
true.
don't forget your responsibilities, guys, as college students. Diba?
Totoo.
Alam mo na yan, Wam.
Alam mo, yeah, I know because I've been there.
We've been there.
Well, we've
True.
been there and
Lalo
a
na
lot.
first semester, it's so stressing, lalo na sa mga group activities. Kasi syempre, nangangapa pa, di ba?
Yeah,
Hindi mo ba alam yung mga tunay na kulay, kumbaga.
Yes, and it's
Oy.
difficult. Well, for you, it's first semester. Pero
Oh.
ako, it's the whole year.
Oo nga ba?
It's the whole year for me.
Well,
If you
we
know,
can
you know.
We can always make bawi next term, guys.
Yes, tama naman. Or next few years since mabilis lang naman kami.
People change.
True.
Sana nga.
True.
Sana nga.
Yeah, pero yeah, again, we did meet in senior high school. Grade 11 ako. Oh yeah, we met in senior high school mismo.
Both grade 11.
Yeah.
Hello.
Both
ba yan?
yeah. Pero we met nung ang tawag dito, parang halfway na yata patapos na yung school.
Actually,
Ano, diba?
no. Kasi yung unang best kitang nakita was nung opening ng MSAL.
We.
Di ba nga nagbo-vlog ka that time?
Hindi ko na nakalimutan. Nakalimutan ko na yun.
Hindi ko siya makalimutan kasi ikaw talaga yung may hawak ng tripod. Ikaw talaga yung nasa
Oh,
harap
yung parang,
namin. Nag-film. Oh, yes. Yun yung first time na narinig ko yung name mo. Tapos nakita kita. So, sabi, okay, vlogger. Vlogger.
Yeah,
Yes.
true there.
Tapos, ang sunod nun is yung student teacher. Remember nung pumasok?
Personals Day?
Yeah. I
That
guess.
one. Yung pumasok ako sa BCM.
Yeah.
Yun.
That's January. Around January.
January 2024. Naalala ko
Yeah,
pa
yeah.
kasi
Ano
I know my
siya?
vlogs.
That time kasi si Red yung nag-ano sa amin, nag-student teacher for religion. Eh, di ba magkaklase kayo
Ay,
that
oo.
time? So,
Si-
pinakilala ka niya. Tapos, at the same time, nag-film ka nun. So,
Yeah, it was exhausting.
Yeah.
Naka-heels pa ako noon.
true. Kinall out ka pa niya nun. So,
Yes, pero yeah, so that was the time na nakilala mo na ako was November. Yeah, November 2023. Pero yung time na nakilala na talaga kita was I think March or April.
remember nung binigyan kita ng Mentos sa canteen?
Ala, hindi ko na maalala yun. Kasi I
Kasi
only
magkasama kayo nila Jessa kasi di ba kayo yung unang magkahalala tapos every time na mag-recess, bumibili ako ng Mentos sa baba. Tapos sakto na nandun ka sa table nila and lumapit ako.
I think
And,
I kinda remember. Them. Them.
Tinanong ka pa nun, di ba? Tinanong ka pa nun.
Them. I think na-recall ko yun. I think we had an interaction nun. Pero I think yung time na parang naalala na talaga kita was yung
Wow, ha?
kasi a lot of things happen. Alam mo naman as a vlogger. Ang I
Yeah.
think yung time na alam na kita was when yung pauwi na ako na sa bahay pagbikas. Naalala mo yun?
I can't remember. Please,
Naalala ko
enlighten me.
yun. Bigla ako umuwi from sa bahay pagbikas. Nagpa-practice kami nun. I didn't really like it
Ba yun
there.
Sabi mo na may...
Sa high school, nung nasa ano kayo nun, high school canteen.
Okay,
Tapos
okay.
pababa ako nun, 'di ba? Tapos nakita kita. Sabi ko, uwi na ako. Sabi,
I remember nakita kita kasi pababahan na may hawak kong kape. I
oo,
remember,
naalala ko yun. Oo.
bumibili kami ng kape doon. Yeah.
Yeah, ganun.
pala yun.
And then, yung first hangout talaga namin is when, March ba yun or April? March yun. Kasi April was field trip. Tama. March was when, I think minessage yata kita or minessage ko yata si Jessa na tara kuha tayong coffee sa high school covered court. Tapos kwentuhan.
Oh, yeah.
Oo.
I remember
Yun,
that.
naalala ko yun. That was our first memory together. I love it. Kaya,
So many chicas that time.
sobrang dami.
The PR.
Naalala ko yun. Oh my God. Grabe.
Basta parang natin, ang meet-up spot natin doon yung high school canteen,
Oo, ting.
Ang init-init. Pero
Ang init-init. Nagkape pa tayo pero iced yung coffee. Ang galing, di ba?
Pero kasi yero kasi yun, di ba, that time. So,
Sa bagay.
masyado pa rin mainit.
Yeah, pero hindi naman lumalamig dito sa Pilipinas.
Sa bagay. Valid.
Yeah. Pero that's how we met. Pero what was your first impression sa akin nun?
Actually, wala eh.
Wala.
Kasi parang
Biglaan lang din yung friendship.
Yeah, bigla.
Oo, ako din actually.
Before pa nun, marami na ako narinig. Puro wam. Pero ako kasi, sino si Wam, di ba?
Gets.
Sino
Ako
siya?
din.
Tapos
Actually,
ngayon ko lang nakita na, vlogger. Remember, may sinano ko dati sa GC natin na peak na nasa harapan ka namin, harapan ka ng section namin, nakatalikod ka. Tapos you're wearing your jersey, tapos nakatalikod ka sa amin.
my
So,
jersey.
BSM jersey. Nakasulat doon De Guzman.
Oh,
Tapos
really?
yeah.
Yun yung hindi ko na maalala, actually.
Wala ako naalala ko yun. Kasi nasa phone ko yun before. Nasa old phone ko yun. Yung picture na yun.
Yeah, oo. So yun, wala kami first impression of one another. Pero what was your life like nung senior high school? Was it chaotic, stressful, fun? May memories ka ba?
Roller coaster,
pero
diba?
not the, you know what we're not going to talk. Hindi naman sa ganung level natin papag-usapan. Yung love, ganun lang. Yung nasabi ko, love.
Roller
pero-
coaster talaga yung senior high school ko. Like, maraming wholesome, maraming chaotic, maraming sad.
I mean, lahat naman din talaga eh.
Yeah. Definitely one of the best, pero at the same time, one of the worst.
Yeah, I get you
namin
there. Kasi ako naman, I have a lot of memories na nagustuhan ko. I really enjoyed there, pero I just had a really bad experience with other people. Kaya parang sobrang hindi ko kinayang bumalik doon. Pero I want to go back naman din talaga. Kasi I know that I could fix it.
Safe din kasi talaga yung feeling that time.
Oo.
Kasi parang ramdam mo talaga na bata ka, but at the same time, you're learning, di ba?
Yes, bata and learning. Kasi ang dalas pa natin mag-hangout nun.
Exactly.
Ang dalas pa nating ma-meet ng new people, like
Maraming
friends.
events,
Oo,
di ba?
like, events.
Diba?
Like
The prom?
the Personals Day.
Yeah.
The, ano yun, Students Week.
Yeah.
The, ano pa
Field
ba?
trips.
Yun, field trips. The dance party, night dance party.
HSD, diba? And
And-
yung mga socials, of course.
Socials. Pero, yeah, it was good. I really liked it. But, it would have been better. Ang tawag dito. Pero yeah, but for you, what was your best and worst moments sa senior high school? Let's start off with your best moment na parang hindi mo siya makakalimutan. Best memory pala, di moment. Best memory na
Best memories,
nakakalimutan.
senior high school. Sabayang pagbigkas.
Really? Grade
Yeah,
11?
Grade 11, yeah. Parang kasi mostly sa mga best memories ko nag-form nung grade 11. Kasama ko lahat ng scholars eh.
Sa bagay,
so,
oo.
comfortable, diba? And safe.
Sa bagay, may point ka dyan.
And talaga yung sabayang pagbigkas talaga, nag-show talaga dun yung family spirit ng scholars,
Love it. The
I really love the
Maris core
scholars.
values.
Yes! Yun
Naalala ko pa.
Yun talaga.
I think my best memory para sa akin was, ang dami, my God.
As a vlogger, syempre
Oo
marami.
nga ang dami. I think yung favorite ko, let's do personal and content creator wise.
Sure. Personal first.
My personal feeling ko yung grade 12 field trip. Kasi ang dami nating ginawa nun na hindi ko na-expect na sobrang saya. Yung magfo-farm, yung kukuha ng fruits, tas yung mga activities.
Oh yes.
Oo, tas yung afternoon, yung swimming. Girl, ano man naalala mo sa... Ako, ayun yung akin. Pero sa'yo, bakit? Pupunta ka ba nun? Hindi ko na maalala.
And then ako, pero hindi ako nag-swim kasi
I'm a
girl thing.
Gets.
Girl things.
Okay, girl things, yeah. Well, actually, to be honest, yun, kasi grade 12 talaga, yung swimming talaga yung sobrang nagulat ako na never ko na-experience magkaroon ng swimming sa field trip. And sinabi lang namin na, sabi ko, di na ako magsa-swimming. Pero buti nga nagdala pa ako eh. Kasi ang saya
Shoes,
pala.
yeah.
Oo,
Kasi that time, sobrang init din kasi.
Oo.
Tinig yung araw that time.
Sobra.
Summer na nun di ba?
Pero ang saya nun. I really enjoyed it. Ang nakakalungkot lang, hindi na tayo one last stop, yung nag-gather tayo lahat as a
Yeah.
section. Doon ako nalungkot kasi parang sabi ko, may chance pa ako makipag-picture sa iba, pero wala. Umuwi
Pagod na rin kasi.
Oo, parang tumitingin na lang ako sa window na, nag-iiwan.
Zone out na siya, ganyan.
Zone out na ako sa
Para
sobrang...
bang,
Totoo yan.
ay, one thing pa pala.
Go.
Sa'yo, what about yung Yung fair! Shish!
Yung fair, to be honest, okay naman siya, pero...
Dapat lang okay kasi magkasama tayo din sa booth.
Oo,
diba?
pero nakakapagod lang kasi na buong araw ako nandun, tapos parang wala naman tayong ginawa masyadong memorable na yung magbabayad ka pa kasi. Ang mahal din, may budget din ako nun, kaya hindi rin ako masyadong nakapaggastos and had fun with people. Masaya siya, pero I wish we would have done anything more fun than that. Kasi ang ginawa natin, kumain, kwentuhan, nag-vlog ako, tas
Bantay ng booth?
yun, tas parang sabi ko,
Well, for me, it was fun kasi I had 3 committees that time. So, the blue...
Isa lang committee ko eh.
the booth, the
committee.
promotion, tapos in the blue and gold. Tapos, syempre, under blue and gold, marami ako nakilalang junior high school students at time. And
Sa bagay.
yung first day namin, nasa kami, collab room. It was so nice. It was so
oo,
fun.
nasa collab room din kami noon. Ang saya din
HQ
noon.
natin. It's fun.
Tapos after nun, well, to be honest, I think maganda ang Maris for me for connections, pero hindi ko siya parang yung all-time favorite memory ko. Gets mo ba?
Yeah, gets.
Kasi nung Saturday, Sunday, nakakilala ko ng mga alumnus eh.
Oh, yeah. Oh, maraming
Daming mga alumnus na dumating, hindi lang yung alumnus from the lower batch, pero from the upper batch that we had.
Yes.
Yung grade 11 tayo, dun kami nagkilala lahat ulit. It was more nice kasi I got to meet a lot of alumnus na ang dami kong connections, tas yung iba may interview ko pa. Kaya it's fun. Yun yung gusto ko sa connections, but it won't be my all-time favorite. Pero yung grade 12 talaga, field trip. Pero for content creator wise, I think yung favorite ko na memory was the EMSAL nung grade 11. Kasi doon ako yung parang nakilala-kilala na talaga ako ng mga tao. Yun talagang goal ko, makilala ko ng tao.
Speak.
Oo. Pero I'm so peaking right now. Alam mo yun! Pero ayun talaga, kasi yun yung time na ang dami nag-hi sa akin.
Yes.
Ang dami nag-hi sa akin, ang dami nag-hello. Like, girl, minsan na nga lang, lalabas lang ako. Tapos binahay ako, sabi ko, sino ka?
Grabe siya.
Habang girl, magsa-CR ako, tapos biglang sabi na, hi, sabi ko, ay, hello, sabi niya, vlogger yan eh. Girl, habang umiihi ako, nakakabwisit. Sabi ko, hello, ba't ganun? Basta, like, it was
So nice,
it was the peak era for me, but I'm so peaking anyway, so yeah. Love it. Pero what was your, like, memory na worst memory?
Wala akong worst memory sa Maris, to be honest. Pero least favorite siguro.
Go, ano yan?
Definitely yung time ng work immersion.
Ay, same.
Kasi parang underwhelmed, tama ba? Parang so underwhelming yung
Nangyari?
work environment ko that time. Kasi parang wala siyang masyadong ginagawa related to STEM or health related. Pero nasa health related environment ako, it's just that
I get you.
parang
there.
walang skills and alam mo na, parang inuutusan ka lang talaga.
Oo. Kasi actually ako din, medyo hindi ko rin masyadong nagustuhan yung work immersion ko. Kasi parang feeling ko it was just like a task for you to finish senior high school.
Yeah.
Yun yung feeling
actually,
ko.
Parang andun
Kasi
ka lang to feel.
ang tawag dito, like excited ako kasi I was supposed to work in a work immersion na. Hindi ko na sasabihin, I've said this multiple times. I was so excited to work in a work immersion na nagustuhan ko. The thing is, they only accept college students lang pala. Pero they announced it the week ng work immersion na. So nagpanic kami malala. And then ayun, I went to the principal and then they helped me. And then ayun, nagkaroon ako ng work immersion. Pero I had a good I had a good time with the people and then
I saw your stories during that time.
Nag-site visit kami and then gumawa kami ng logos, ginawa kami ng extra tasks like kunwari, mag-fill out ng blueprints, magsasign and mag-shred ng papers kasi diba architecture kasi. I don't know, para sa akin kasi as an arts and design, yes, the logo is good, pero I feel like in that department or that area, hindi ko masyadong nagustuhan kasi parang walang connect sa ano ko eh.
Parang hindi siya para sa'yo. Para sa dapat natatahakan mo.
Yung parang ano talaga, yung interested talaga sa architecture.
Yeah, exactly.
Oo, yun talaga, interested sa architecture. Pero ako kasi, I'm more interested on the media side.
Yes.
And the conversation, ang tawag dito, the voices side, like yung open up, pero yun kasi parang I had a good experience. Maganda yung yung mga staff. They're very friendly. They guided us. Pero I feel like the whole experience for me was just not for me. Pero maybe the others it can be. Parang ganun.
Yes.
Oo, just for me lang. So yeah, don't hate.
I can relate. Kasi yung sa amin, kasi lang kami noon ng logbook. You know,
Parang
pinag-roller lang kami noon. Like, hindi ako nag-story about it kasi.
Hindi ka kasi na ano.
Kaya nga, it's very underwhelming kasi bakit ganun, di ba?
Yeah, I get
Alam
you.
niyo naman
I get you now.
different.
I actually
Well,
get you
it is
now.
what it is.
Well, okay lang yan kasi malay mo pag internship ng college natin, may
doon na lang babawi siya.
babawi na lang kasi doon talaga yung nag-accept sila talaga ng ano eh.
Exactly.
Ng ano. Well, ayun. Pero that's our moments.
Yes.
Pero I think for me, wala na rin akong bad memory as a content creator dun. I feel like yung worst experience, pero I think yung time na nawalan ako ng time to vlog. Kasi graduating eh.
Oh yeah, yan yung sa during yung process.
The whole school year talaga. The whole school year and the process of
What do you call this? Yung
the creative
Yan.
album.
Yeah.
Yeah, the creative album.
please ilabas nyo na yan.
Pero I think kasi nawalan ako ng time dahil tinigilan din ako mag-vlog dahil sa data privacy. Naiintindihan ko naman yun.
Yeah.
And parang kailangan ipanood ng mga teachers and everything. Pero since kasi club-related lang naman, lagay ko na lang daw yung club logo. Kasi ayaw din nung prof ko sa org ko or sa club ko na tumigil daw ako. So, ayun, parang he made it up for me daw. Pero nawalan lang din talaga ako ng time kasi plano ko, I was gonna vlog every day. Like every week post akong bago.
Dude, that's exhausting. Nakakapagod yan.
Oo, pero hindi ko nagawa. Pero yun talaga yung plano ko. Pero I think nung ginawa ko siya sa MSCB for 2 weeks. 2 weeks ata yung MSCB.
Yeah.
Parang 2 weeks ako nag-vlog. Sabi ko, okay, buti na lang hindi ko siya natuloy kasi nakakapagod pala. But I think that was it for me.
Graduating ka, ang dami mong requirements na inaasikaso and all, diba?
Yeah.
Kasabay mo pa yung vlogging.
Totoo yan. Let's talk about our friendship.
What the?
Pero in a friendship, kasi we've been friends for 2 years na, di ba?
Yeah, 2 years with
Yeah, with
With
those
those-
people. and
with distant.
and with our now friends pa rin.
Yes. Going strong?
Yes, going
Pwede
strong. Sa tingin mo, how did our friendship change for over the course of 2 years? Like, do you think it changed? Kasi feeling ko hindi naman eh.
Well, it changed in terms of maturity naman.
Yun din, oo.
If in how we view things na. Lalo na ngayon, parang I feel like you became mature. You know,
Yeah.
parang there are things na
Kasi
you're
dati-
you're more open to talk about na.
Yes,
diba?
alam mo yan.
Kasi dati kasi parang syempre,
Secluded.
secluded, close-minded pa medyo. Parang
Oo.
tinatansya pa natin yung mga bagay-bagay. Pero ngayon, you're
I'm
facing
open.
those.
Kasi parang hindi ko na, kasi diba dati pag may problema ko, hindi ko sinasabi.
Exactly.
So parang gets ko yung sinasabi mo. And I
Yeah.
think I've matured over then when it comes to, magugulat ka dito, when it comes to love and crushes. Kasi diba dati, naalala mo, girl,
Sobrang,
sobrang nainis sila Adi sa akin nung time na yun. Pag may crush ako sa school, parang,
I feel like baliktad na tayo ngayon. Like, you,
Ganun ba yun?
I don't know pero you became mature when it comes to love. Pero ako, alam mo, gets mo ba? Like, nakakainis. Like, feeling ko parang nagbaback down ako sa mga morals and principle ko when
I
it
don't
comes to
know,
love.
pero I think because wala naman ako napansin. Kasi parang, ang nakakita ko lang sa'yo, nag-aaral ka, pagod ka na sa college
True,
eh.
true.
Pero parang hindi ko na nakita sa'yo na, uy, may nahanap akong or may kinikilig. Wala akong naririnig na ganun eh.
At
Or
the same time, syempre, we're still humans. We are growing,
Yeah.
we are learning. There are so many rooms to learn naman.
Yeah, pero tama din sinabi mo na our friendship did went to a mature state. Kasi feeling ko nung senior high school, madami rin tayong may mga mali.
Yeah.
Of course.
Syempre, flaws. Hindi naman
Yeah,
may iwasan sa mga bata. And syempre, bata pa tayo.
Yeah,
diba?
oo. We're turning adults pero we're still kids in our minds.
Yeah. Young adults.
Yeah,
kumbaga.
oo, young adults. Tama yung sinabi mo na we're growing up and
Yes,
and learning a
still.
lot of things. Ngayon kasi parang napansin ko rin sa friendship natin is ang pinapag-usapan na lang natin is our lives pero more hindi siya parang
More of a plans in the future na gano'n.
oo, hindi yung parang kasi dati naalala ko nung senior high school pag may kukwento, parang dinadamdamin talaga natin. Gets mo ba?
Gets.
Dinadamdamin namin
Parang
yung
akala mo
problema.
ikaw mamamatay, gano'n.
Oo, parang kunwari, akong example ito, sabihin ko, uy, nakakainis naman si ganito, ganyan. Tapos parang ang sasabihin mo, ay, oo, nakakainis. Tapos parang dadamdamin natin lahat ng mga problema.
True.
Pero ngayon wala na eh. Parang
Wala na, syempre.
focus na tayo sa sarili nating
Exactly.
goal. Focus na tayo
Focus
sa
na
sarili
tayo sa
nating
both
buhay.
sides, kumbaga, kapag may gano'n.
Oo, so parang updates lang tayo. Updates na, huy, ito yung nangyari sa school, nag-quiz kami, pagod
With pictures,
kami.
gano'n. With videos. Nakakainis.
Oo, and updated din kami sa sarili-sarili naming Instagram.
Yeah.
And
Dump.
it's, I don't know, like for some reason, it's more different. It's more different. Pero our friendship did,
Actually, feeling ko help din yung time sa parang di tayo nag-uusap for
Oo.
months.
Pero again, yung time na yun, was it
We've-
before graduation?
Yeah, we were focusing
Yeah.
on ourselves na and
'Cause-
less interaction kasi busy kasi magkaiba kami ng section.
Yeah,
and
nung January
strand.
talaga, grabe. January to graduation talaga, oo.
Like, ang haba nga nung duration. Parang nag-usap lang tayo for a while nung same committee tayo, di ba?
Tapos
Tapos
parang
wala
wala
na.
na. I think nung start nung January to March was when na-busy talaga tayo.
Exactly.
And then nung fair, nag-usap
Saglit
lang tayo ng
lang
onte.
tayo nun.
Pero after nun, wala na. Kasi
Exactly.
ang finocus ko, magna-name drop lang si Jessa, na ang finocus kasi ni Jessa yung mga school events, like yung prom,
Jessa, boo! Magbayad ka na ng tuition mo!
yung prom, ano pa bang, minsan sa MSCB, ano siya.
Nandun ka pala.
Oo, and
Ikaw
then,
naman nandun ka.
well,
Yung props making din.
hindi, wala ako doon.
Wala ka doon.
Iba yung ako yung nagpa-vlog, diba?
Exactly.
Ayun, tapos ikaw, you were busy on your own lives. I don't wanna say anything, pero alam na namin yun. You were busy on your own lives. Ako, I was busy vlogging. So, parang hindi naman tayo nagka-grudge sa isa't isa.
Yeah, wala naman.
Pero
It's just
nawalan
that
lang talaga ng time. We got so busy.
parang nag-drift away lang for a while, diba?
And I think bumalik lang siya after graduation.
Yeah.
Yeah, after
Actually,
graduation.
college na diba?
I,
Kasi yung nag-draft tayo, nag-coffee tayo kasi
oo.
college na,
Oo.
diba? This year,
Changes din, pero
so many changes
kasi,
din naman.
yeah, if I'll just say this, pero I had a controversial post,
Yeah.
controversial podcast that made me be quiet for at least 3 months. Natakot ako lumabas.
I hope you learn your lesson.
I did. That's why I stopped doing podcasts and now we're here.
Yes.
And I think when college happened, I was like, maybe this will be a new chapter. New life. Wala, I can't, wala
Let
nang
bygones
magagawa.
be bygones, sabi nga nila.
Oo, pero I realized na hindi pala. I still have mind and heart sa mga senior high school kong friends dati.
Exactly.
And that's why we're here. So, yeah. Pero again, no grudges and everything. Just
Sure.
outgrown and
Sure,
so
sure.
much. Pero what do you think is your favorite memory in our friendship?
Well, yung first is yung 18th birthday mo, di ba? We were present here.
Oh, yeah. Oo.
Yes, nasa vlog niyo yun, guys, if you wanna watch.
Ang saya nun eh.
Yeah, that was the
And ang
first.
funny, kasi nagpaplano na ako ng June birthday ko for 20th. Kayo din ulit yun. So
We
parang...
are so back! We are back!
Yeah, and the OG. Yun na lang sabi ko, the OG. Kasi
You
parang,
know.
imagine mo yun na kayo pa rin yung i-invite ko sa
Exactly.
20th ko.
You
Nung
will,
19th
you will
lang
always
yun eh.
come back to us.
Yeah. I think our favorite ko is yung, nasabi ko na to nung lumabas tayo. Yung nag-draft tayo nung bumalik ka tayo
Yes,
this
yes,
year.
yes. So
Kasi
many catch-up.
that time, I had the worst mental health. It was so
Yes.
bad. That was
I am the witness.
Yeah, that was the time nag-aya siya na mag-draft tayo. Kailangan natin pag-usapan.
Wala kami
yan.
wifi nun, guys.
Meron. Ako may data ako nun eh.
Kami sa bahay, kaya ako lumaba.
Oo nga pala.
Diba?
Ayun, tas kwentuhan kami, tas she understood what happened to me. Si Adi, alam niya yung nangyari sa akin. Girl, umiyak ako sa MRT.
Kung alam ko lahat, guys, I am the witness.
Umiyak ako sa MRT. Sabi ko, be, pagod na ako sa college. Kita mo yung basa dito. Nakamask pa ako na.
Very, very dramatic, but I love it. you know?
Sobra. Tapos parang sabi niya, be, kaya mo yan.
Kaya niya talaga
ganyan,
yan.
ganun. Pero the time na nag-usap kami was January? February? Kaya ganun.
Yeah, yung February, ganun.
Ay, hindi. February tayo
March.
nagkita. Pero January yata tayo nag-usap talaga again.
Yeah. Mayroon ng parang story replies na ulit.
Oo, tapos sabi ko na meron ka palang iMessage.
Yeah.
So sabi ko, add kita dun tayo mag-usap. Tapos
And
in-add ko si
then,
Jessa. And then yun, we had...
Tuloy-tuloy na.
Oh, tuloy-tuloy
Diba?
na. And then nagulat ako na we had Joven and Ali.
Again.
Actually, the reason why nagkaroon lang kami ng kape ulit was, nag-note yata si Joven na kape tayo or inuman yata.
Oo.
Tapos parang sabi ko, tara, inom
Tara,
tayo
G,
or whatever.
G.
Tapos sabi ko, at
Hindi mo tuloy-tuloy kung ano mo, hindi mapag-usapan kung inom ba o kape.
hindi ko maalala eh. Both yata yun eh. Or, hindi, inom yata yun. Feeling ko inom yun eh. Tapos sabi,
Kami nung una naging kape lang kasi sa sobrang busy
oo,
talaga.
and hindi namin kayang ma-hungover. Hangover ba ang
Yeah.
tawag? Hangover after, kasi imagine mo na hangover kami. Tapos may pasok pa kami the next day. That's
Ang
so
dami kasi
terrible.
every week pa naman yung mga quizzes natin.
Oo,
dude.
pero
So,
at least sa birthday party ko on 20th, iinom tayo.
Guys!
I'm gonna vlog it.
Yeah, watch it. Abangan nyo yan.
Yeah, abangan nyo yan. Pero ayun. Tapos sabi ko, tara, inom tayo with, I think Joven and Jessa yata.
Yung
Tapos
una.
parang sabi ko, ayain
Si
ko rin si
Ali.
Adi.
Tama, Ali.
Adi din. Sabi ko kay Joven, sabi ko sa kanya, ayain ko rin si Adi.
Okay, okay. So,
Tapos,
ako,
din si Ali.
spare? Okay.
Ga-
Pero that's what happened, guys.
Yeah, oo. Pero, that's what it is really.
We're goods naman na.
Yeah. Pero for our last question, na hindi naman talagang interview, where do you see yourself 5 years, realistically?
No po, work po muna. Next question, please.
Oh, ganun.
Ganun. In 5 years from now, where do I see myself? I see myself working in a clinic.
Love it.
I see myself working with people naman who struggles with their mental health. Yun naman talaga yung purpose why I
Yeah.
also choose psychology.
Like
I
clinic,
really
like,
wanna-
ang tawag
Mental?
dito? Guidance counselor? Iba pa ba yun? Sorry, I don't know anything.
Psychologist.
Psychiatrist.
No.
Hindi.
Kasi
Ay, iba pa ba yun?
Psychologist muna bago mag-psychiatrist. Kasi pag nag-psychiatrist ka, mag-med school ka.
Ah, ganun yun.
Yeah.
Okay, gets.
So,
Alright. Akala ko kasi
psychologist.
psychology, it will lead you to guidance counseling or psychiatrist. Pero hindi ko alam na may ganun pa pala.
Pwede siya. Pero you're gonna choose your path.
You're gonna choose your path. So, iba palang path
Yeah.
sa iba. Okay, I get it now. Okay.
So, I see myself in that industry 5 years from
pero
now.
you're gonna, kasi yung pinsan ko kasi, nag-psychology sa Ateneo, tapos parang magma-masters pa daw siya to psychiatrist. Ganun din ba gagawin mo?
Psychology graduate yung pinsan mo,
Mm.
tapos magma-masters. Kapag nag-master siya, psychologist na siya. Pero kapag
Yun yung
nag-med
pala yun.
school, psychiatrist.
Okay, so psychologist pala siya.
plans na mag-med school in the future.
Med school. So
Yeah.
that's like 4 years again.
Yeah, 4 years ago.
Damn,
So we're gonna...
parang nag-masters ka lang din, pero
Oo. So parang ang
Double
balak
degree.
ko, parang ang balak ko, wag na mag-masters, diretso na ng med school. If kaya, di ba?
pero kasi again, wala kasi akong alam dito. Ano bang mas maganda, maging psychologist or psychiatrist?
Actually, it depends eh. Kasi ang psychologist, therapy. Ang
Therapy,
ang psychiatrist,
Yung sa disabilities.
nagpe-prescribe ng gamot.
Okay. Gets ko na. Alright.
Gets mo
I
na!
get it.
Pero
I get
ako,
it.
if 5 years from now, work muna. Literal, work muna. Then
Tama
med
yan.
school.
Mm-mm.
And then, work sa hospital.
Okay, gets. Alright, ganun
How
pala
about
yun.
you? 5 years from now?
Oh my God, buti lang tinanong mo yun sa akin. Hindi ako prepared. Siya Actually, sinabi ko to sa gaming channel ko eh. Pero, I'm just gonna say random things. Baka mali mo mangyari. I have my vision board right there. I see it.
Yeah. I see it nga.
Yeah, it's like
That's
very, basta kita namin to.
It's very
Pero
specific.
For 5 years, makatapos ng college, obviously gagawin natin yan. Makatapos
Wala
ng
kang
college.
choice, dude.
Yeah.
Have to
Makatapos
finish
ng
college.
and hopefully to be able to work in DZMM, ABS-CBN. Gusto ko lang talaga mga newscasts. Like, kahit radyo lang ako, masaya na ako kasi gusto ko talaga marinig na boses ko. Yun yung gusto ko. Like, something to give credit, something for my voice to... Ay, ganon! Ganon!
Ang sama. Anyway.
Oh, ayun, ganon. Like, plano kong ganun talaga. Like my voice to be let out by the world, even though it is out now, pero I want it to be more thoroughly. Pero if plans don't work out, like kunwari lang, hopefully not, hindi ako nakapasok, ipapursue ko yung content creation.
Yes.
Pursue ko
Yes,
magiging freelancer ako. Pero if plans do work out with, maybe I can pursue masters.
Yes,
Tas mag-teach
go for
ako. Mag-teach ako ng
Yes, please.
mag-teach ako ng masters or be more better sa broadcasting. Ganun lang. Pero I just want to work in some stations and, and if I want to, I can do masters and ganun.
You should lock in if you really wanna
Masters.
work sa mga stations. Diba?
I mean, yeah, I am locked in.
You should lock in more.
I know, well, obviously sa college talaga, kailangan mo naman mag-lock in talaga. So parang hindi naman ako or ikaw, everyone talaga. Pero yun na talaga gusto ko. To graduate, go to any TV stations, and still continue content creation.
Yes.
Parang may sideline ako.
Yeah.
But
And at
if,
the same time, you're documenting your life, you know?
pero I don't want to work there. Like, I don't want to like vlog. Mali yung sabi ko. Ayokong mag-vlog dun. You know what I mean? Kasi parang,
Professional, guys.
yeah, professional na.
Privacy, guys.
I've learned a lot of shit. Pero, yeah, ganun lang naman gusto ko. And if it doesn't work out, may backup ako, the content creation. And
That's good na may
basta
backup.
gusto ko lang
ka.
na makatapos muna talaga.
Yun talaga yung primary goal. Makatapos.
makatapos
Makasurvive ng 4 years, guys.
Yeah, totoo yan. Well, anyways, that's all for our fun little podcast,
Yes,
interview,
sir!
sleepover.
Sleep over
Hindi ko
kind
alam
of
kung
vibe.
anong tawag ko na. Interview pa rin, no?
Yes.
Interview pa rin, pero like, not...
Chicas. More of
Keep dropping my mic. Dapat kasi yung mahaba, yung tarang mic talaga mismo.
yung may wire?
Oo.
Kakanta? PTT?
Oo, gusto ko yun. Pero yeah, that concludes our interview with Adi. Thank you, Adi, for joining in.
welcome.
Bigla ko lang siyang minessage. Sabi ko, girl, gusto mo mag-interview tayo?
Parang ano nga ba?
Oo, and kasi
sobrang busy.
na-busy siya. Ako naman din, na-busy din ako.
Sobrang
Pero
busy, guys.
it's
We're both
okay.
busy.
Yeah, we're always busy. Pero to be honest, nag-enjoy ako and I'm really happy that you're here, part of Talk with Wavy.
Again and again.
Again and again soon. Pero
Yes,
yeah,
sir.
I'm happy that we got to talk about our friendship, memories, and our future. And yeah, more interviews to come. I have so many people in
Abangan nyo yan,
mind.
guys. Abangan nyo yan, guys.
Excited ako. Either it's online or here. Depende talaga sa interview. Kasi I care about the interview, kung ano gusto nila. here or online. So yeah. Pero yeah, that's all. Thank you all for watching. If you guys enjoyed, make sure to give the video a like, comment down below, subscribe, turn on notifications so you guys miss any videos of me.
Yes.
And make sure to follow Talk with Wavy on Instagram to check out new previews of interviews that are coming soon. Wala siyang specific, there's no specific day or whatever. It will just be a random drop. Parang gulat ka na lang nandito na si Adi.
Yes.
It would just
Abangan
be like
yun,
that.
guys. Thank you so much, Wam. Thank you so
Yes,
much.
thank
Take with
you.
Wavy. Take with Wavy. Talk with Wavy.
Bye. Yeah, everything. Thank you, everyone. Everything Hallelujah by Justin
Bye-bye.
Bieber. Bye, everyone. Thank you for watching.